Hey there! Today I am going to show you how to use a Subtrio workflow to segment incoming clients or subscribers based on options on a form. So this video is assuming that you already know how to create a form within Subtrio and you already know how to attach it to at least a basic workflow. If you don't know how to do either of those things, you're going to want to be able to do those first. So I'll drop a link below to a video that'll walk you through how to do those things. But if you're in the place where you already know how to create a form, even a simple one, and you know how to create a simple workflow that can attach to that form, this is the place for you if you want to be able to segment the people that are incoming from that form. So to start with, you'll need the form. And so it can be a real simple form, and it's going to be something that has options people can choose from. So a way to set that up would be to come over in your elements and come down to where they have choice. So you can have checkboxes or a multi drop-down menu, radio buttons, something like that. And that'll be in your form, giving them some options where they will choose, and then you can segment from there. Once you have that form built, you'll be able to use it as your trigger in your workflow. And then you can come figure out where you want to segment by clicking on that plus button, and then you want to search for if and find that if else condition. Once you have that, you can branch from there so that you can set up different conditions for people entering into different segments of your workflow. So once you have that condition up and you have a branch, you're going to want to go select and contact details. And then you're going to want to choose what that form is, or at least the options on that form. It's usually probably going to be your label, but if you changed your label and that didn't happen, down here, you're going to want to just double check the custom field name under advanced settings. And for this one, it's called membership level. So now I can come back over here to my workflow, and that's what I'm going to look for. All of your custom fields are going to be down below. If you go in here and it's in your contact details, all of the custom stuff that you've set up in forms or anything is going to be like down here in this list, and it's all alphabetical. So I know I want M for membership. I'm going to come down and find M. Here we go, membership level. So I've chosen that here, and then my operator, this is going to depend on what you are setting yours up for, but I'm going to choose includes, and that first option, I don't have a membership yet. So now I have this branch set up, and you can come up here and name the branches, and that's what's going to show up in this little box once it's out there. So we're going to say no membership for this one. No membership. And then we are going to want to add a branch. Each branch is going to have its own line here, and you'll get to see what that looks like once I've added the other branches. So let's do that now. So I'm going to go do the same thing, contact details, and then I'm going to go down to M because I want to go membership level, so I can choose those other options. So membership level includes, now I want that next one, less than 100 members. And I'm going to name that less than 100. And then I'm going to add a new branch. Come here to contact details again. Do it all again, just like I did before. Go to M. I wish they had a way you could search. Hopefully that's coming someday soon. So membership level includes, and here's that last option that you saw on the form. So now I have more than 100 members. We'll say more than 100. All right, so now I have all my branches, and when I save it, there should be 4 branches now, and that is going to be the 3 that I created, and then it automatically has one on there that if none of those conditions are met. So if you have someone who somehow submits the form, like if you don't have this required and they're able to submit the form without answering those questions, then you'll have a condition over here for what happens to them here. But now I can set up, these ones were already on there and they defaulted to this first option, but I can move them to wherever I want to. And now I can set up different outcomes for these different types of people coming into my list. And that's all it takes to segment. And then you can go down and add, they get different emails or they go into different workflows. It depends on what you need it for, but this is all it takes. It's all good. Definitely make sure you save and publish and you're ready to go.